This is Tony with T&E Plumbing. We are here at Barrett Station Road. We have entered the sewer line through the backflow valve down in the basement, and we are currently all the way out to the county main, and we are going to be pulling out. Eventually we're gonna see how far we are. So we are at the main. My camera head is getting a little stuck in there. Okay, so there is a 45-degree elbow of some sort behind it, right in front of the main with a big drop. It is 6-inch PVC outside, and then it will turn to clay eventually. At this moment we are out at the PVC. And we will continue to pull all the way back. The line is all open and clear. There is a lot of turns, but otherwise there is no obstacles, and unfortunately there is no yard clean out in the property. So now we turn to clay. Clay is also open and running. It holds slightly a little bit of water here and there, mostly in this section of the pipe, which I'm going to assume this would be under the asphalt in the street based on the distance. But other than that, I mean, everything is pretty clear. It's only about ½ an inch of water standing on the pipes, so there is actually no issue. We're pulling back. Okay, at that specific spot there is a little shift where they have connected the clay with the PVC. It's not leaking, it just basically holds a little bit of water at that specific spot because of a shift on, I'm assuming, the boot. But other than that, it's pretty open. And then we transition back again to PVC. And now we are on cast iron inside the house. Cast iron is open and clear. There is no roots or no visible damage. There is slightly a little bit of wear on the sides, but apparently there is no leaks, and it will be coming out pretty soon. We're gonna try to run it at the same time towards the stack in the basement while we're already here. I'll have to adjust. Okay, so we are headed inside towards the main stack. we're gonna have a better view once we pull back out again. But for right now, we have a good idea of the condition of the pipe and how everything looks. And so far everything looks open and clear. I do not see any cracks or any issues with the pipe. It's a little bit old, but it's pretty much expected for the age of the house. This is the original cast iron pipe, and there is a Y connection to, I'm assuming, either a floor drain or maybe a basement bathroom if there is one, but most likely a floor drain. And this would be the base of the stack, basically. Yeah, we cannot make it any farther up, so we're gonna start pulling back and slowly also record the line a little better to have a clearer picture. So yes, as we can see, there is no cracks or root penetration, which means basically that there is no visible issues with the pipe. There is a little bit of wear at the bottom, but that's mostly also probably a lot of the rust. But if we pay closer attention, it is starting from here. And okay, let's look at the right side. Let's see if that's a crack, but it does not seem like a crack. So there is about 3 feet of the bottom of the pipe that it seems to be worn out. And that is pretty close to the check valve. So this is the entry point where we entered. And this is an older check valve down in the basement. And this is actually the basement. So we are going to terminate the video